I could have kept going, but I have a client at 2 and it's about to be 1. I have to go drop the U-Haul back off to the U-Haul center and get my car to go to my appointment. So, yay! Okay. She's clear. Trying to feed Rose because she's being stubborn, but we have her medicine, what's it called, gabapentin, and we're gonna open up her little capsule. Get a close up. No, like here. Oh. I'm in love with the coca. Then we'll put that right here for now. And we use this little bag here. Spatula. We're just gonna mix it in so she doesn't notice what it is. We're drugging her.
For her own good.
Yeah.
For her.
Turn those lights on.
For her own enjoyment.
Yeah, literally. Make sure there's no clumps. And then the vet suggested, and Jasmine, for her to be on wet food. I usually don't be feeding her wet food, but that way she gets some liquid in her as well.
So she can try to be hydrated.
Yeah, some hydration. Okay, that's good. And then we'll put this right here for now. We'll put this away. Oops. And then up. Hey girl. Here. She's not even looking at me. To be continued. Hi guys, it's Addis from the future editing this video super late. I'm sorry that I didn't get more footage or clips. It was a lot. That trip was a lot. Trying to find time between rotating from sleeping and driving felt almost impossible. It was very exhausting and very anxiety inducing, and I will never do that shit again. But so yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed what I did get, and stay tuned because I have some other videos in the making. So see you then. Bye.